Okay, this is the earthworm kit that I got from a workshop that I attend from Worms on the 29th of June. When we got the kit, we could barely see the worms, like it's like only a couple of them. I think now we can't see. I think it's hiding inside. Yeah, you could barely see them. Yeah, let's open it. Okay, it's have been more than 4 months or 4.5 months, and the worms have been growing, and I think this is the kiwi skin. Yeah, I think they are hiding underneath. Okay, can you see them here? Now I want to change the box to a bigger one because I would like to harvest the vermicompost since it already been 4 months, and I like the texture, and also it is a bit overcrowded, and I couldn't put in a lot of food at one time. Yeah, this is the kiwi skin. Normally I will feed them with fruit peels, vegetables. Yeah, I'm just transferring all the leftover food over to the bigger box. So in order to attract the worms to migrate over, I'll just leave the smaller box inside the big box. And this round I'm using shredded cardboard. I'm using the shredded cardboards, and this is a compost mixed with some soil. It's a compost from some of the kitchen leftover. I'm not using the peat moss and the cocoa peat because I never, that one I need to buy, so I'm just using the whatever I have, and I'll just add in a bit of the vermicompost to incorporate some microorganism inside. Okay, today I don't have a lot of kitchen leftover food. This is a coffee bag, the normal 2-in-1 coffee bag that I drink this morning. Normally I will put the coffee and the coffee powder and the eggshell because it's a good mix, as coffee tends to be slightly acidic. And I have some fruit peels. Normally I will feed them with fruit peels, and this is a leftover from the soup. I think it's tangsen. I will wash it with water just to make sure it's not too salty. And yeah, and there's one piece of bone. This is the first time I put bones inside. I should have smashed it, but maybe next time I'll smash it. So I'll put all the food to one side, and then I'll cover it with some soil, or today is using compost. I need to cover it just to reduce any, in case there is any smell, but normally I do not have a lot of problem with smell. Only if if I add too much food inside, or when it get too soggy or too wet, then there will be side smell. Okay, I'll just cover it. I poke some holes, but before I do that, maybe I should cover it with a cardboard or a piece of paper. Okay, I'll use this piece. Is just to cover it, to prevent moisture loss, or to block some light, because the earthworm don't like the lights. They prefer to be in the dark. Yeah. And I'll keep it in the cupboard. Normally I'll keep it in the cupboard. Okay, this is 1 week since I started this box, and I have checked it a few days ago, and I saw that some worms is trying to escape. That's why I put it in a bag, in a plastic bag. And that's where's the worms. Let's put it back inside the box. This is a small one, baby. I think I need to change the box, because I think they can escape because it's not fully sealed. Because I put this inside the cupboard, so I don't want the worms to be all over my cupboards. And let's check this box, this small box, if there is still any worms. You can see the soil is all on the side, which proves that the worms have been climbing around. It seems that there isn't any worms inside this box now. Yeah, I think it has migrated successfully over. I will later transfer this vermicompost into the bottle, and then I will check again. Let's see. I have added some food inside when I check the box. I think the kiwi skin is still there, and I added one mango skin peel, mango peel. This is the worm there. I think they are all hiding underneath. I think it's a bit dry.